Hello students, today we are going to do question number 5 of exercise 1.1 unit 1 integers for class 7. So here is the question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. That means one day Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his account and next day he withdraws some money, that is 1642 from his account. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, that means if we represent this withdrawal of the amount by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So it's very simple. Amount deposited, that means something added, so we will show it with a positive integer. So first of all, write down this answer. We will represent the amount deposited by positive integer. Further, find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. That means if he has withdrawn 1642 rupees from his account, now what is the balance? So it's very simple. He has deposited 2000 rupees in his account and then he withdraws 1642 rupees from his account, and then what will be the balance? It will be 358 rupees. So it's very easy to find out the balance, but we will do it by integers. So for that, what we will write here first, amount deposited that is 2000 rupees. Because we have written that deposited amount by positive integer, you can put here plus sign, then amount withdrawn, that is 1642. Because we are it is given that amount withdrawn is represented by negative integer, so we will put here minus sign. Okay, and now we are to find out the balance. So I told you that it's very easy to find out the balance. Just subtract 1642 from 2000. But here 1642 is already represented by a negative integer. To find the balance, we will find the total of the amount in his account now. That means what we will write here, 2000 and total 1642. So don't get confused here. It's very easy to find out the balance if we are not representing it by integer, just subtract it. But now if we are represented amount deposited with positive sign and withdrawn with a negative sign, to find the balance we will find the total of this amount in his account now. If you will observe here, plus minus minus, so 2000 minus 1642, it will be same as like this, but according to integer we will write it like this. So here 2000 plus minus minus 1642, so it is 358 rupees. This is the answer of question number 5.